So here we are with the third part of the shadow tutorials, and this is the most likely I do, and I think it's the most easiest way if you have Photoshop. This works also in older version of Photoshop. So you have again your card on a 12 by 12 page, and what you go and do now is you add a shadow effect with the drop shadow. You look how you want to have it, the size, the distance, the angle, and with the distance and the size makes the blur. It's like the Gaussian blur, and this is how I do it. Okay, I have distance 16, spread 0, and the size is also at 16, and we have an angle with 140 degree. And we press OK. So we have the shadow. This is how you do the shadow most likely, or you use a style. This is also something you can do. What we're gonna do now, we now separate the drop shadow effect from the layer. And for that you need to go with the right mouse. And here you go here where this FX is written, okay? Click with the right mouse and then this pops up. And then here on the bottom we have create layer. And this is what you can say, okay, that's pretty okay. And what you see now, this is now the shadow you've created with the drop shadow on a separate layer. So these are now two different layers, and you can now twist and twerk here however you like. Okay, we go again here on top on this wrapping tool. And also we can here push, and we can turn around here everything how I want and create our little own shadow how we like it. Okay? And when you zoom in, you can see we have here those little corners standing out. We have here in the middle nothing. And of course we can twist it a little bit this way or the other way. This is up to you. And this is really something what I like the most when I want to have one of those shadows when they pop up those edges. This is the way I love the most to use, and the others are ways I try sometimes, but yes, this is I think the most easiest way. I don't think it's possible in Photoshop Elements. This is what I need to say. As far I know, I don't have the latest version. I had once an old version of Photoshop Elements, but not a new one. Maybe they changed that. Maybe you have a look and maybe this works for you as well in Photoshop Elements. If yes, please let me know. It's always good to share that information. So this is it. I hope you like my 3 versions of doing shadowing on your layouts, on your cards, on your elements. This is of course something what also works. Let me just a second. No, I'm doing a 4th video by that. Okay, that's much better. Okay, we have a 4th part and we're gonna see us there. Bye!